If your business is missing out on sales you know it should be making, or it's sucking away your precious time with things that you know you shouldn't be working on, then pay close attention, because in this quick video, I'm going to show you how SamCart can help you convert 20 to 30% more customers, potentially double what your customers are worth to you, and make growing your business easier than you ever thought possible. Hi, my name is Brian Moran. I'm one of the co-founders here at SamCart. In case you didn't know our backstory, my brother and I started SamCart back in 2014 because we were frustrated by how difficult it was to create pages, track sales, manage orders, and grow our business with the current software available to us. Most software seemed to make our jobs harder instead of easier, so we teamed up with a couple friends to build SamCart, with the vision of making it easier than ever for people like us to take our business to the next level. And SamCart quickly became the go-to tool for some of the best marketers on the internet because they could quickly create pages that convert better than any other platform out there. Let me show you how it works. As soon as you log into your SamCart account, all you need to do is set up your first product. Each product has its own name, price, integration events, and settings. As soon as it's set up, you pick one of our pre-designed templates that can be used to create either a sales page or a checkout page for that product. Next, you take any of our templates and you customize it however you want using our drag and drop content builder, which has a dozen pre-designed widgets that are proven to help you make the sale. You can quickly add headlines that grab your reader's attention, text that conveys the benefits of your product, video that shows off the product in detail, bullets that outline everything your customer is going to get, buttons for making easy call to actions, timers that give your prospect a reason to act now, guarantees that remove the risk, testimonials to increase trust, FAQs that answer common objections, and progress bars so that your visitor knows how close they are to completing their order. And if you want to save even more time, you can drag on one of our pre-made collections and create these pages even faster. To boost conversion even more, you can add payment options to your page, which comes in handy if you want to offer a payment plan for a more expensive product. You can easily split test between different page designs, and you can use our cart abandonment app to make sure anyone who forgets to complete their order gets an automated third-party email or text message that brings them back to complete that purchase. Within just a few minutes, you now have a gorgeous page that is designed from the ground up to convince 20 to 30% more people to buy your product. So now that you're converting more visitors into customers, let's quickly make those customers worth even more to your business. With a few clicks, you can add a simple add-on offer that lets your customers add extra items into their cart right before they check out. On average, these simple add-ons increase revenue by up to 42%. Next, you can quickly create a one-click upsell page that makes a special offer to your newest customers right after they buy. On average, these simple upsell offers increase revenue by 61%. And yes, you can even split test these pages as well. And if you have a support or sales team, you can securely add other items to someone's order with just one click using the credit card they already bought with previously. Within just a few minutes, you're now getting your customers to spend twice as much money each time they buy from you. SamCart also lets you effortlessly bring customers back again and again to buy more products from you by automating dozens of different tasks inside any other tool you're already using. You can send an email follow-up campaign that sells your products by adding your customers to your email list, trigger sales tasks inside of your CRM, fire off automated third-party text messages, or trigger a Facebook Messenger sequence. You can track all your stats in our live streaming dashboard, run traffic and conversion reports to find out where your sales are coming from, send your messages to your own thank you page, and give your affiliates an entire platform to sell your products for you. SamCart can securely deliver digital files to your customers, automatically enroll people in your course, trigger a new shipment from your fulfillment center, fire a conversion pixel, send a Slack message to a team member when someone buys, and our Subscription Saver app automatically recovers failed subscription payments for you behind the scenes. Plus, these pages support any type of product that you want to sell. You can sell digital products like ebooks and online courses, physical products like t-shirts or skateboards, and even services like custom web design or coaching. You can charge one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, fixed payment plans, free trials, paid trials, and anything in between. And if you ever need help, our team is always standing by. You can click the help button inside of your dashboard to get dozens of video walkthroughs and tutorials, join our private Facebook group where you can get help from thousands of other SamCart users, or message our team inside the app anytime using the blue icon on the bottom right of your dashboard. Imagine finally having a tool that is both incredibly powerful and simple to use. Imagine finally being able to effortlessly convert more visitors into customers. And imagine finally having total control over your business. Well, that's exactly what you'll experience with SamCart. We have 3 different plans for you to choose from based on what you need, so just scroll down, pick the plan you want, create your account, and see for yourself how SamCart will help you both convert more customers, drive up customer value, and finally simplify your business. Plus, we're so confident in SamCart that we've created the Conversion Boost Guarantee, which means that if SamCart doesn't boost your sales, we'll refund your account and pay for your next month of your current software. And if you're thinking, I'd love to switch to SamCart, but I just don't know if I have the time, I have some good news. We now have a dedicated e-commerce expert standing by to answer any of your questions before you make the switch. And if you qualify, we now offer concierge onboarding, where we'll work with you step by step to set up your page, integrations, and payment processor so that you don't have to worry about it. Just scroll down, pick the plan you want, and grab your free trial to see what SamCart can do for you.